In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your card website. Before we start, make sure you're on a Card Pro plan and that you've already purchased a domain from a third-party provider. Card will handle the connection, but your domain's DNS settings live with your registrar, so we'll touch both places. Begin in your Card dashboard, open the site you want to publish, then click the Publish button. When the options appear, choose Publish to a custom domain. You'll see a field asking for your domain. Type it exactly as you want it to appear, for example, yourwebsite.com. If you prefer a subdomain like studioyourwebsite.com, enter that instead. Precision matters here. Extra spaces or typos can cause the connection to fail. After you enter the domain, Card will display the DNS records you need to add at your registrar. Keep this tab open. We'll come back in a moment. Now switch to your domain provider account such as Namecheap, Porkbun, or Cloudflare. Find the DNS management or settings area for the domain you just entered in Card. This section might be called DNS, Zone Editor, or Advanced DNS. You're not moving your domain, you're simply adding the records Card provided. Copy the record types, names, and values exactly as shown in Card. Depending on your setup, you may see A records, CNAME records, or both. Don't substitute or guess. If Card says to create a CNAME for a specific host, create a CNAME, not an A record. Save your changes in your registrar's DNS panel. If there's an option for TTL, the default is usually fine. With the DNS updates saved, go back to Card and click Publish Changes. Card will try to verify the records you added. DNS changes don't happen instantly on the internet, so give it some time. While Card often connects quickly, it can take up to an hour for everything to propagate. During this window, it's normal to see your site intermittently load or not resolve yet. After a short wait, visit the exact domain you entered earlier. If the site doesn't show up right away, refresh after a few minutes or try a private browsing window. If it still hasn't connected after an hour, double-check the DNS entries at your registrar against the records shown in Card and confirm there are no extra or conflicting records. Once it's live, you're all set. Your Card site is now running on your custom domain.